So here we have the situation with my kitchen, and as you all know, this situation gets me extremely stressed out. So I am going to pick all of this up and take you guys along with me. Hi Jojo, are you so sleepy? Hi Booby, this is my daughter's dog, Sushi. And over here, have to get rid of all of that. So let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is put away all of these clean dishes. Maple, this is Maple, the new addition to the family.
Stop filming me without my consent.
She is an Aussie Doodle. We call her Meeps. Hi Meeps! Meeps! You must have seen her in one of my stories or shorts because I posted one of her chasing her tail. Meepy. Maple.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama. And none of the other dogs seem to get along with her. Here there is something sticky and yucky that I'm pretty sure was left by my kids. I don't know, they said, have kids, it'll be fun. They forgot the part where they're very messy and dirty as well. Huh? Here we have Sushi bullying Meeps. That's not a good girl, Sushi. No, be nice.
Nope.
She's your sister. Be nice. Share your toys. All she wants to do is play.
I don't want her to play with me.
Right, Meeps? She's not giving up the toy. thing looks. Now I can inhale and exhale and relax. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Bye guys.